The Caged Bird's Escape, a story of freedom and love. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful little bird who lived in a golden cage. Her owner was a kind merchant who loved her sweet songs. He gave her fresh water in a shiny golden dish and listened to her music day and night. One day, the merchant had to travel for business. Before leaving, he asked the bird, "Dear bird, I'll pass through the forest where you were born. Would you like me to take a message to your old friends?" The bird nodded and said sadly, "Please tell them I sit in this cage, full of sorrow. I miss flying through the trees and singing in the open sky. Ask them to send me a message that will give me peace and hope." The merchant promised and left on his journey. When he reached the forest, he saw many colorful birds singing happily in the trees. He greeted them and said, "I bring a message from your friend, the little bird who now lives in a cage. She misses you all very much." Suddenly, one bird in the tree shrieked loudly and fell to the ground silent and still. The merchant was shocked and very confused. After finishing his business, the merchant returned home. The caged bird eagerly asked, "What did my friend say?" The merchant replied slowly, "One bird heard your message and then fell from the tree, just like that." As soon as the bird heard this, she let out a loud cry and dropped to the bottom of her cage, silent. The merchant panicked. "Oh no! What have I done? My little bird is gone!" With tears in his eyes, he opened the cage and gently lifted the bird. But the moment he did, the bird flew up out the window and landed on the rooftop. She turned to him and chirped happily, "Thank you, kind merchant, for delivering the message. Now I know how to be free. I had to pretend to be dead to escape my cage. Now I will fly to my true home, to my beloved. Goodbye, and thank you." The merchant smiled through his tears and whispered, "She was wise. She taught me the secret of letting go." Moral: to find true freedom and love, sometimes we must let go of everything we're holding on to. If you like this magical story, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more heartwarming tales every week.